Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line is coming from, and actually quite a bit of the analysis comes from this green line. But before anything else, I want to talk about perspective and the perspective that I'm going to be talking about things from, because there really is a lot of it depends. What do I mean? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7.3 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking very rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, there was a big pullback today. But again, big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base and therefore continue to construct a longer-term uptrend. The first update comes though based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So 0.026, as I talked about in yesterday's video, was a level of support. But then when the price fell below it here, you can see just a classic example of this support then turning into resistance when the price bounced back, eventually rolled back over. So 0.026, now newest area of resistance there. And, just the one where if you start talking about, before you start talking about anything up above 3 cents, 0.026 is definitely that first hurdle that needs to be crossed. As far as levels of support are concerned, truly a thing of beauty right here. And, just totally the power of charts. Price was pulling back, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. Oh, what a surprise. Look right where it happened to bounce. Right at that pink line there, the 200 period simple moving average. Case in point here being, as long as the price stays above both these moving averages, again, pink line being the 200 period, purple line being the 50 period, then the bulls are in full control, because these lines, if you want to just picture them as trend lines that, draw themselves for you. So over time, this purple line is going to look something like this, assuming the price stays above it. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself has to keep on increasing, and that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they insult your intelligence. So case in point here, as long as the price stays above that purple line from overall perspective, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So a lot of volume in this one the past couple of days. Good price movement. We'll see how this week continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.